Barangay Ginebra fans hindi nakapagtiis, may hiniling sa mga game officials. Ngunit bago natin pag-usapan yan, Jared Dillinger pinuri si Christian Standhardinger sa kanyang ipinapakitang performance. Ayon sa kanyang Twitter post, pang-import numbers umano ang ipinapamalas ni Christian Standhardinger sa kakatapos na Game 5 kung saan nakuha nila ang panalo at lumamang sa serye kontra Meralco Bolts. Itinanghal na best player of the game si Christian Standhardinger matapos magtala ng double-double performance na may 34 points, 10 rebounds at 5 assists na may 70% field goal percentage, shooting 12 out of 17 from the field. Mas lalo pa nitong na-improve ang kanyang laro matapos halos hindi magmintis sa kanyang mga mid-range jumpers.
Standhardinger, one point. Time around the block. Oh boy. 32 points. He can't miss. Standhardinger can't miss.
Kayo mga idol, agree ba kayo na pang-import numbers ang napuproduce ngayon ni Christian Standhardinger? Please comment down below at pupusuan natin yan. Samantalang Barangay Ginebra fans, hindi nagustuhan ang naging tawag ng mga referee sa plays na ito at hiniling pa nila ang replay sa mga game officials.
By Scotty, there's an uproar by the crowd.
Wow. Now the fans are asking for
Now
a challenge.
they will use the challenge. I see Team Cone.
Look at the Ginebra fans. They're all motioning challenge.
Yeah, there you go.